Welcome to the TBS Get Paid web portal. In this video, we'll show you how to view the status of your schedules and invoices using our PaperView tracker. Once logged into your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. At the very top is your PaperView summary widget. This widget provides a quick overview of your schedules and invoices and exactly where they are in the funding process. Clicking on any of the statuses in either the schedule area or in the invoice area will take you to your Purchase History tab. Your Purchase History tab shows you more detailed information about your schedules and invoices. Once on the Purchase History screen, your PaperView widget will be at the top for quick access. Clicking on Received, Processing, Pending Funding, or Funded will filter your schedules or invoices below by that specific status. You can add additional filters by clicking the Filter button on the top right-hand side. If you want to remove a filter, simply click the X on the filter you want to remove at the top of your screen. You can also search by schedule number in this search bar. Quickly create a new schedule by clicking Create Schedule, or export the current list of schedules by clicking the ellipsis. Clicking a specific schedule number will open a drop-down area that shows the live PaperView tracker of where your schedule is in the funding process with additional details and timestamps below. You'll see which invoices are included in that schedule. Clicking a specific invoice number opens an informational sidebar window on the right side of your screen that shows details such as PO number, dollar amount, customer name, schedule number, funding status of that invoice, and additional details. To close the sidebar window, click the arrow here. Navigating between schedules and invoices is easy. Switch between views by clicking either Schedules or Invoices on the left-hand side of your screen. You can also create a new schedule by clicking the Create Schedule button. The TBS Get Paid web portal is not only the easiest, but also the smartest way to access, manage, and track your factoring business with TBS.